Don't you look at me with those eyes. Oh, I'm sorry. These are the only fucking pair I've got.
The clock isn't meant to alter time, only keep
30 seconds until total system failure.
Oh, hell no!
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts.
Chocolate? Chocolate! 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 Chocolate!
Please. Sir is my super father's name. I am Captain Super Captain.
Sorry, Captain Super Captain.
Captain Super Captain.
I'm not gonna say it like that.
I said stop!
Hello up there! I seem to have fallen down a cliff. I'm still alive, but I'm very badly injured. I think my legs might be broken, but I'll try to stand up. Ah! Yes, they are broken. Perhaps you could toss me a Band-Aid or some antibacterial cream.
Emperor Tachyon!
Boo! You stink!
Santa, you know what I want for Christmas this year?
What?
A big fat cock in my ass!
Control, we have a contaminant in chamber 47.
Copy that. What type, Agent?
Turkey, sir.
That is very weird, Agent.
Copy that. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce. Funny, right?
But seriously.
Yeah, put that Lombax in his place.
What?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Clank, it's been one heck of a ride.
Chocolate!
I don't want you going around with that boy. He's no good.
You in trouble?
Not yet.
He keeps coming around here. He's a dead man. I've got my eye on you.
I love him! And his core!
Love him? That boy's got girl hair.
Don't worry, honey. It's just our stuff getting repossessed by these low-life, bottom-feeding, undereducated, unhygienic, slimy, no-neck, toxic, triple-chinned, oxygen-wasting, crude, gutless, foul-smelling, buck-toothed, corrupt, felonious, disgraceful, disease-ridden, bow-legged, yellow-bellied, backstabbing, ghoulish, vulgar, despicable, worm-headed, worthless stains!
I'm only doing my job. Why are you so mean?
Hasbro's best thing ever. Fly it.
Yeah!
Toss it.
Awesome!
Eat it.
Whoa!
It.
Ah!
Hasbro's best thing ever. Kids! Kids! Ah! It's so awesome!
I went through trauma at a very young age.
Don't be a downer, kid.
They just killed my dad.
Blah, 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 blah.
What big fat guy?
Blah, 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 blah.
Nope, haven't seen him. Try downriver.
Blah, blah.
I'm 20 years old and I like playing with the balls. I love balls. Balls is amazing. I got balls. Why can't I play with the balls? So I go in there to play with the balls. You know, I'm throwing balls. I'm letting balls fall on my face.
There is no such thing as monsters.
Oh, but there is. It's down in the boiler room.
It's absolutely real.
I heard it ain't Miss Johnson.
I heard it is Miss Johnson.
I heard that.
Look, your building's water heater has been broken for months. Without hot water, that guy can't shave. That guy can't shower. And I think that guy's dead.
Do people always stare at you?
Yes.
In a good way?
Yes.
No.
Well, according to the database, it is a Lombax planet.
Chocolate!
Oh my god, Harry Styles is so perf. You mean perfect? Yeah, that's that perf. Perfect. He's perf. Yeah, but it perf!
To me, you're actually extremely ugly, but to somebody else, you're attractive. It's all about perspective.
That hat makes you look like a girl.
Am I a pretty girl?
Oh, well, you're beautiful.
Ratchet, please understand. The Dimensionator must be destroyed.
My lord, man, your voice is so fucking annoying. Do me a favor, don't say shit else to me.
Did I call it a bad time?
Get your bitch ass out my face!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!